Hello YouTubers, I'm Parwiz and this is our 18th video in Learn Django 2.1. In the previous video we have learned how you can render your data from Mysql Database, and you can see if I go to the news details, these are the data that I have retrieved from Mysql Database. And if you check my database, and this data is in my database. And also if you check the administration panel of Django, if I click on news, you can see I have this data in here like this. Okay, now in this video I want to show you how you can retrieve a filtered data from your Mysql database into Django template. So sometime you need to, for example, you want to retrieve news according to a date. So before this, I'm going to open my PyCharm IDE, and in the models I need to add another field in here, and let me bring it. Okay, in this section, in the news section, I want to add in here, I want to add another field, pub_date, and it should be models dot date field, models dot date field, like this. And also you need to give a default value for this. Let me just in here you need to import from Django dot utils import time zone. Okay, now in here the default of time zone dot now. Okay, every time when you're going to bring changes in your model, you need to migrate. So let me just open my terminal, and let me create a new session and make it just let me, it should be a dockable window. Just wait, make it bigger, and so from here I think make it a windowed mode. Okay, like this. So now I want to first Python. First I'm going to change my directory to cd my project, and after this Python manage.py, make migrations. Python manage.py make migrations. Okay, and after migrations we will migrate this. So let me just make it a little smaller. So after this, now I'm going to Python manage.py migrate. I'm waiting for this, and okay, now running migrations and applying news, and now migrations completed. If I open my local host and my news, you will see that I have a new field at name of pub_date. You can see that I have, and these are the default time zone that we have added. Okay, now I'm going to create another open your views, and in here I want to create another view function. So let me bring it in here, and I'm going to just copy this because I don't want to write this again and again. And paste it in here. So just change the name to news. It's news details. I want this should be news year, like this. Okay, now in here I'm going to change this to a list, a_list, and this is news.objects.get, and I want to filter this by year. So you can add this pub_date _year and add your year in here. Also, you need to get a parameter of year in your after request, like this. Okay, now in your context we need to change this. Let me just remove this. Like this, and we need to add a year in here, year. Also we need to add article_list to our context. So article_list a_list, like this. Okay, now after this, now I'm going to just change this to news year. I want it should be newsyear.html, and I want to create this HTML file. Let me open my template, or just I'm going to let me create this new file, and just open your newsdetails.html and copy and paste the files in here. So just change this to, this is our news what I write, news year page. Okay, like this. So let me just remove these from here. Okay, now we have created our this view function and HTML. Now we need to, before we start our retrieving data, we need to add our view function to our URLs. So I'm going to open my URLs, and in here I want to add another path. Let me just copy this and paste it in here, like this. Okay, now the path, just change this to year, and also because I want to show you something in here, that also how you can pass parameters to your URL. So for this you can simply give, for example, I want to, it should be an integer. When I'm going to write, for example, 2018, in my URL it should bring me the 2018 newses. So here, and this should be, let me import this. What was what was my view function name? It was news here. Views dot news year. Like this, and the name should be let me just give it news, like this. Okay, now we have created our URL pattern, and now open your news year.html. Now it's time to retrieve data. So for this, in here, this is our just change this to, let me change this to newses for year, and add your year in here, like this. Also for this title, you can give it just now. After this, I'm going to create a for loop because I want to iterate on my data. So for news and what was the name of okay, article list. It is article list and article underscore list. Okay, and after this we are going to end our for loop. And for now, let me just check that what we have in here. We have author, title, description, and also publish date. So let me open my. Now the first one I'm going to that is I think it was author. Yeah, it was author. So this should be in, I think, H2 tag. News dot author news.author. Let me just copy this and paste it in here. Another one is the title. The title should be an H1 tag. News.title. Just copy this, and another one is the description. So description, I want to give it an p tag. News dot description. Okay, and the last one is publication date, publish date. So just paste it in here, and let me just it should be H4, I think. Also I want to write something or I don't want to write. So just in here we need to add our news pub, underscore date. Now you need to change the format of your date. Right now, if I let me just show you first. Now I'm going to go to my about, and let me refresh the page, and let me go to the what was my route name, URLs. Let me go to the year, and year I want to give it 2018. Return the year. Let me just check this, that where's the problem. Okay, the main problem is in here. It's not get, sorry, it's filter. So I have forgot to change this because I have copied, and when you're going to copy, so there will be some mistakes. It is filter. Okay, now save this, and just open your page, refresh, and now if I go to the year 2018, you can see now this is our 2 newses from 2018. But if I go to 2017, because I don't have any news in here, you can see newses for year 2017, and you can check the title, it's dynamically changing. So 2016 and uses for year 2016 I don't have. So let me just add some news for these years. Open my, okay, I'm going to add new. The author should be, for example, I'm going to give a name Bob. Title, this is 2015 title. The description is from 2017, and change the date to, click on this, let me change this to 2015. So I want just take a date, save this. Also let me just add another one. This is author, for example, Logan. Title from 2017. Description from 2017, and just change the date to 2017. Okay, like this. Now I have data. Now if I go to the, let me just go to the 2018, I have these 2 data, and if I go to the 2017, I have just 1 data, description from 2017, and it's changing dynamically. And if I go to the 2016, I don't have any data for 2016, but in 2015 I have a data like this. This is 2015. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel and like the videos.